Are you tired of endless searching for ways to make money online that actually work? What if I told you there's a legitimate method that could help you earn $28.18 every 10 minutes? Stick around, because today we're diving into how you can leverage Google Translate to create a consistent income stream in 2025. Have you ever dreamed of making money online without the hassle of a regular 9-to-5 job? Imagine earning $28.18 every 10 minutes from the comfort of your home, and all you need is a computer, an internet connection, and Google Translate. It may sound too good to be true, but stick with me as I break down this method step by step. By the end of this, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to potentially earn $845.4 a day. First, let's dive into the concept. Google Translate is a free tool that millions of people around the world use daily. But did you know that it can be leveraged to create a reliable income stream? The secret lies in using this powerful tool in combination with online platforms that pay for translation and transcription services. Step 1. Research the demand before diving in. Spend some time researching the demand for translation services. Identify industries and niches where translation work is highly sought after, such as e-commerce, legal, medical, and technical fields. This will give you a clear idea of where to focus your efforts. Step 2. Sign up on translation platforms. Join platforms like Django, Prose, and Upwork that connect freelancers with clients needing translation services. Create a professional profile highlighting your skills and willingness to use tools like Google Translate to ensure speed and accuracy. Step 3. Learn the basics of languages even if you're not fluent in a second language. Familiarize yourself with common phrases and basic grammar rules of the language you plan to work with. This will help you fine-tune translations and stand out among competitors. Step 4. Use Google Translate smartly. Google Translate is a fantastic tool for generating initial drafts of translations. Paste the text into Google Translate and obtain a basic translation. However, remember that this is just the starting point. Step 5. Double-check the translation. Use additional tools like DeepL Translator to cross-check the translation. This step ensures that the translated text is contextually accurate and free from major errors. Step 6. Edit and proofread. Proofread the translated text manually to ensure it reads naturally. Correct grammar, punctuation, and idiomatic expressions to make the text look professional and polished. Step 7. Use grammar tools. Tools like Grammarly or Language Etool can help you refine the text further. These tools catch errors that might slip past manual proofreading, adding an extra layer of quality. Step 8. Understand cultural nuances. Cultural context is crucial in translation. Research the target audience to ensure the translation is appropriate and resonates well with them. Step 9. Choose niche-specific jobs. Focus on high-paying niches like legal, medical, or technical translations. Specialized projects often command higher rates and give you an edge over general translators. Step 10. Practice with small projects. Start with smaller projects to build your confidence and reputation. These projects will help you gain valuable experience without the pressure of handling complex assignments. Step 11. Build a portfolio as you complete projects. Compile your best work into a portfolio. A strong portfolio showcases your capabilities and attracts high-paying clients. Step 12. Communicate professionally. Clear and professional communication with clients is essential. Respond promptly to inquiries, clarify project requirements, and keep them updated on your progress. Step 13. Deliver work on time. Timely delivery is key to building trust and securing repeat business. Use tools like Trello or Asana to manage deadlines and stay organized. Step 14. Request feedback. After completing a project, ask clients for feedback. Positive reviews enhance your profile and increase your chances of getting hired for future jobs. Step 15. Expand your skill set. Learn additional languages or specialize in more niches to broaden your market reach. Online courses and language apps like Duolingo can help you upskill. Step 16. Collaborate with other freelancers. Team up with other freelancers to handle larger projects. Collaboration allows you to take on more work and maximize your earnings. Step 17. Use social media to market yourself. Promote your services on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Join relevant groups and forums to connect with potential clients. Step 18. Automate repetitive tasks. Use automation tools to handle repetitive tasks like invoicing and tracking payments. This frees up time to focus on more projects. Step 19. Track your earnings. Keep track of your income and expenses to understand your financial performance. Use apps like QuickBooks or Excel to manage your finances effectively. Step 20. Scale your business. Once you've mastered the basics, focus on scaling your business. Hire a virtual assistant to help with administrative tasks, invest in advanced tools, and explore new markets. Now, you might be wondering, is this method sustainable? The answer is a resounding yes. The demand for translation services is growing, especially with businesses expanding globally. Moreover, the combination of Google Translate and your manual enhancements ensures quick turnaround times and satisfied clients. Let's address some common concerns. What if I'm not fluent in a second language? You don't need to be fluent. Basic knowledge of the language, combined with tools like Google Translate and grammar checking software, is often sufficient for general projects. For specialized fields, you can invest some time in learning industry-specific terms. Is it possible to make $28.18 every 10 minutes? Yes, but it depends on the type of projects you take on. Larger projects or niche translations often pay higher rates, allowing you to reach this target. Consistency and efficiency are key to achieving such results. Are there any upfront costs? Most platforms are free to join, though some may offer premium memberships for additional features. Your primary investment is time and effort. In conclusion, this method is a realistic way to earn money online. By leveraging Google Translate, focusing on quality, and strategically selecting projects, you can build a sustainable income stream. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to supplement their income, this opportunity is worth exploring. Now it's your turn. Take the first step today, and who knows, you could be making $845.4 a day sooner than you think. The internet is full of opportunities, and with determination and the right strategy, financial freedom is within your reach. Now, you might be wondering, is this method sustainable? The answer is a resounding yes. The demand for translation services is growing, especially with businesses expanding globally. Moreover, the combination of Google Translate and your manual enhancements ensures quick turnaround times and satisfied clients. And now, let's dive deeper into the long-term vision of this opportunity. Think of this method not as a mere gig, but as the foundation of a potentially life-changing journey. Starting out, you may feel like a small fish in a vast ocean of opportunities. However, every step you take builds towards a future where you're no longer just translating, you're creating a system, a workflow, and an identity in the freelance world. Picture this: a year from now, you could have dozens of repeat clients, all of whom trust your ability to deliver quality work on time. You might even find yourself in a position to hire a small team, transforming your freelance career into a full-fledged agency. By using technology, your skills, and a commitment to learning, the possibilities are endless. You're not just translating words, you're breaking barriers, connecting cultures, and facilitating global communication. That's a powerful position to be in. And with this method, you're doing it on your terms, setting your own hours, choosing projects that excite you, and enjoying the freedom that comes with being your own boss. Consider the broader implications of mastering this approach. You're developing skills that go beyond translation: time management, client communication, and quality assurance. These skills are transferable and can open doors to other high-paying opportunities, from content creation to project management. And here's the best part: you're creating a sustainable income stream that adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're working from a cozy home office, a bustling co-working space, or even while traveling the world, this method gives you the flexibility to earn and live life on your terms. But it doesn't stop there. With the rise of AI and automation, tools like Google Translate are only going to get better. Staying ahead of the curve means you're leveraging these advancements to enhance your workflow and deliver even greater value to your clients. Imagine a future where AI does 90% of the work, and you're compensated for the critical 10% that only a skilled human can provide: context, nuance, and personal touch. So, what are you waiting for? The time to act is now. Start small, stay consistent, and dream big. Every great journey begins with a single step, and this is yours. Dive in, embrace the challenges, and celebrate the victories. Whether you're aiming to earn a few extra dollars a day or build a thriving business, the potential is limitless. You've got the tools, the strategy, and the drive. Now, it's time to put it all into action. Remember, the internet is a goldmine of opportunities, but success doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who take action. Be that person. Your future self will thank you. Here's to your success, your growth, and your journey to financial freedom. Go out there and make it happen. The world is waiting for your unique talents. Let's show them what you can do.